Hello and welcome back to ThayerDesign. Thank you for watching my Photoshop tutorials, and I hope that these are helpful. Today we're going to talk about the Magic Wand tool, which is up here in your tool panel. The Magic Wand will select a certain area depending on the color. So when I choose a color, it will pick similar adjacent pixels to that color, and you will see up in the top menu that the tolerance is right now set at 120. Now there are 256 values that exist from black to white, and these values exist in color. When the tolerance is changed, it will choose more or less of an area depending on the tolerance chosen. So right now the tolerance is at 120, and this is our selection. If I wanted, I could delete this by just clicking on the delete button on your keypad, and you can choose what to fill it with. When you delete, you fill. So I'm going to fill it with my foreground color, which is white. So at 120, this is taking out quite a bit of my image. So I'm going to deselect now, and then I'm going to undo. And we're going to go back in time, and to do so you can click on Option Command Z, and that will go back more than just one step in time. So now I'm going to change my tolerance to bring it down to a lower amount, and we'll say 50. And I'm going to deselect this selection, and I'm going to click. And you see it chooses a much smaller area when the adjacent pixels are set at a tolerance of 50. We're now going to look at a different image. We're going to choose the Quick Selection tool, which is under the Magic Wand, and we're going to choose this urn from the image. You can vary the brush size on this tool by just using your right and left bracket on your keypad. Your right bracket enlarges, and the left bracket makes your brush size smaller. So we can actually add quite a bit here, and you just want to click on the area and you'll see that it's selecting the image very nicely. It didn't select this as well, so I'm going to go back, Command Z, and we're going to make the brush size smaller. So that worked more successfully. And then again, you can switch your tools by clicking on your space bar and just clicking around the area until you're done. And now I'm going to come back up and get the top. And now it's pretty selected. It missed a little area there, but I didn't like that, so I'm going to undo it, and I'm going to make my brush size much smaller and click right here, and that's good. So I'm going to scroll up, and then I'm going to worry about this area down here later on. I'm going to copy this file, and I'm going to place it in a new document. So I'm going to say Command Copy, and then I'm going to create a new document. Command New, Command N. And it will default to the exact size, the preset of the copy. It goes to the clipboard, and so it will default to the size that you want after you've copied an image. So we'll call this Urn 2 and say OK. And you see it's the same size, and now I'm going to paste it. Now let's say I took that selection that I have right here and I just wanted the background. and I wanted, for whatever reason, a silhouette of this urn. I can go up to the menu, select Inverse. I can copy that, Command Copy. I can say create a new document, Command New, and again it will default to the preset of whatever image I copied, and say OK, and then I'm going to paste it. There it is, and there's the silhouette, which could create an interesting effect.